Some group of persons from the northern part of Nigeria have said that if they release Nnamdi Kanu, that they are going to leave Nigeria. Because of this, so many Nigerians are reacting to it. People are saying, what is wrong with releasing Nnamdi Kanu? Haven't they released the Miyetti Allah leader? Haven't they released Sunday Igboho? And so many other people who have similar cases of agitation and similar charges? Why is it that these people are saying that if they release Nnamdi Kanu, they will leave Nigeria? I am going to show you how Nigerians are reacting to this news. But before we go into that, there is a secret I want to expose to you. I know that this thing I'm about to say, it might cause trouble, but it is important Nigeria know what is going on. Yesterday, I reported a news that Akida, that they came into Nigeria after ISWAP said they want to secede from Nigeria, after they said they want to divide Nigeria this year. So this Akida, they came into Nigeria, and Shara reporters reported that these people settled in Kanji. So after this news, I said, what is going on? So another wave of, terrorism is about to start in Nigeria again. So this evening, there is something that I see, and I am linking it to these people that troop into Nigeria. All these terrorists that troop into Nigeria, I'm linking this to it. Look at the news from Shara reporters. It says, over 120,000 Boko Haram fighters, family members surrendered to troops. Army Chief Ndagbaja says. Look at the number alone. The number alone, 120,000. How many number do we have our soldier or the whole Nigeria? Do we have up to 120,000 soldiers, the whole Nigeria? What is the number of our soldier? That 120,000 Boko Haram are repenting. How many Boko Haram fighters do we have in Nigeria? No, we are not accepting this. These are the Akida terrorists who troop into Nigeria. They want to surrender to the army in the name of repentant Boko Haram so that the government will equip them, the government will take care of them. After they must have integrated into this country, what you will hear next is that they will begin to strike. They will begin to do all sorts of things. For me, this is what is going on, and it's an information that people must know. Let the army chief come out to tell us how 120,000, meaning 120,000 is more or less 50%, or let me say 30% of the population of some state to 120,000. How do they surrender? Where are their videos? 120,000? No, something must be wrong, and we must talk about this. So let me let you watch these reactions from Nigerians, how they are reacting to how people are saying that if they release Nnamdi Kanu, that they will leave Nigeria.
Yes, the Fulani has said that if Nnamdi Kanu is released, they will form their own country. If the federal government eventually releases Nnamdi Kanu, that they will break up from Nigeria and form their own country. Let's get
the Fulani.
Yes.
This is very laughable. Welcome. We welcome it. Fulani is going to break out from Nigeria. The troublemakers, the nuisance we have in this country are the Fulanis. People that are grazing people's farmland, threatening to break up from Nigeria. They are of no values. These are political thieves, crooks we have in Nigerian politics. The people that put Nigeria in this kind of distress, crisis, are the Fulanis. So that if they release it now, Fulani, they should plan it very well. They should start to release, they should start to reintegrate, that is disintegrate themselves now. Because Nnamdi Kanu must come out. Oh, very, very hilarious that if they release Nnamdi Kanu, they will break out from Nigeria. We don't value Fulani. Fulani is not doing us any good in Nigeria. Oga, are you still eating beef? I don't eat cow meat, beef. What we should be eating is mutton, chicken, pork, fish, and so on and so forth. Fulani man can only give you a cow. I think I begin now to understand actually that the Hausas are no mumu. The mumu among them are the Fulani. Fulani man is saying that if they release Nnamdi Kanu, they will break away from Nigeria. And so on and so forth. Who is after Fulani? Who is romancing Fulani? Of what importance are the Fulanis to Nigeria? They are nomads. They are warlike people, yet they are not warriors. They amount to nothing. The Fulanis are parasites in Nigeria. They will break away and go back to Futajolo Island, Senegambia, because Nigerian land does not belong to them.
Does not belong to them.
The original owner of the land where the Fulani current settlement, that's not, are the houses. No, they should begin to disintegrate, to break away. They should sit away from Nigeria. Oh, A very long journey to Futajelo Highland. They will pass through Burkina Faso towards Mali. From Mali, they go a bit northwest before they could connect Gambia and Senegal, bordering Nouakchott, that is Mauritania. We don't need them here. Fulani to break away, and I want to tell you that on getting to Zambia and Senegal, they will have no land to settle. They are displaced people, nomads. They live nomadic life. They go from place to place, fighting people. Any community Fulani settle, they will target the community head and kill him and take over their land. Who is bothered if Fulani breaks away? Nobody. Because they are constituting nuisance in Nigeria. They are 100% parasite we have here. Do they have any natural endowment or resources they could give, offer? Fulani has only animals.
Livestock.
Okay, they have animals. That's livestock. Chicken, goat, cow. That one, is it? That one, investment. So the whole world is advancing into science and technology advancement. And the Fulani is advancing in rearing cattle, goats, zomo, that's rabbit, guinea fowl, guinea pig. Okay, that one are natural resources. Oh, I have seen the most shameless tribe in Africa. If you ask me the most shameless tribe in Africa, I will point at Fulani that they are breaking away from Nigeria if they release Nnamdi Kanu. Jesus Christ. Who? Now, that's what Fulani is saying. Look at these people. Oh. They should go so that our farmers will return to farmland. Okay? Fulani must go. That word, that statement, they should not retrieve it back. They must go. Nigeria is thrown into famine. Food drought. Food drought. No food again because of Fulani. War everywhere. There is no peace in Nigeria again because of Fulani. Soldiers are killing people, innocent people. Soldiers are doing so. Soldiers from Fulani extraction. Nigeria is flowing with blood. In the north, blood. South, blood. West, blood. Mid-belt, blood. It's because of Fulani. So Fulani is telling Nigeria that they are going to break away from Nigeria. If they release Nnamdi Kanu, I'll tell you that Nnamdi Kanu is already now. He's already released. It's out already. Those people are very deaf. Oh, they are not listening to what is going on. That Nnamdi Kanu was freed by a pay court since last year. Fulani is threatening to break away. They should break away now, of course. We have Ebuka in southeastern Nigeria. We can still import cows from Argentina, Brazil, and the rest of the Southern American countries. Even from Holland. Milk from Holland. Fulani is constituting nuisance in Nigeria. The reason why we are thrown into this kind of blind regime administration is because of Fulani man. Buhari, Malami, Mahmoud Mohammed, Confucianists, troublemakers we have in Africa. They are bloody tribe, bloodiest tribe in West Africa. What are you telling me? Fulani breaks away. What happened?
But they have influence in Nigeria.
They have influence in the sense that the people that they deceived are the Hausa and the Yorubas. They don't have influence in the southeastern Nigeria. They deceive Yoruba, they deceive Hausa. Immediately they come to the north, they mountain the Hausas. They start putting down Emirates wherever they conquer people in the north. Emirates and the Caliphate all over the north. They are the Fulanis. Religious bigots. See, let me tell you, we are not like that. Fulani man can never mount himself on Igbo man. It is a lie. They know the brain-drained people they are mounting on. They can deceive such people. They can't deceive us. I'm an Igbo man. See, the preparation of breaking away of the Fulanis is on course because Nnamdi Kanu must be out.
Okay, yeah, he's due to appear before the court today. According to Ore, he said that
he won't appear. Nnamdi Kanu is not appearing to the court. He appeared before, and after that appearance, he won the case. He should be free by now. Nnamdi Kanu should have gone since. What? Why coming to the court again? Coming to the court to do what? Nnamdi Kanu is not supposed to appear in court. Abuja is standing still for nothing. Nothing. In vain. He fought in futility. Standing still because of Nnamdi. Which is Nnamdi Kanu? The one that has been set free already. And the Fulani has made it clear that they are the one holding in Nnamdi Kanu. And they are twisting it that it was Hope Ozodimba. It was all those political elites in the southeast. It's a lie. Federal government of Nigeria is the one holding Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody enjoyed the benefits Nigerian president is enjoying presently in the world. And they are telling me that it's the Igbo elites that are stopping Nnamdi Kanu. The people that are ruling Nigeria, the cabals, they are the ones stopping Nnamdi Kanu. And you know whom they are. Oga, Fulani man, Hausa man, Yoruba man, they are responsible for Nnamdi Kanu's incarceration. They are chickens. Nnamdi Kanu scares them. He's like a lion. When he roars in the bush, in the jungle, all those low animals, shiver. They started shivering. The like of baboon, kinds of large monkey, will have fallen from the branches of trees as a result of roaring, snarling of the king of jungle. Nnamdi Kanu is here.
He's been accused of the atrocity of the killings that has been happening in the southeast.
Akoko.
They want to pin it on him.
Don't mind them. Nigerian soldiers are the one responsible. Nnamdi Kanu is an agitator. Nigerian police and all the armed forces in Nigeria are responsible for the killings in the southeastern Nigeria, killing Igbo businessmen, killing mama, killing children, alleging that Nnamdi Kanu is the one. They are killing our young youths, our youths in the southeastern Nigeria. They are accusing Nnamdi Kanu. They are accusing him out of shame. Instead of allowing him to go, they say it's the reason why they are killing. They should allow him to be. If they allow him to be, you see, southeastern Nigeria will cool down. See, let me tell you, as long as they hold Nnamdi Kanu there, nobody is safe in Igbo land. They are annoyed. You are holding their man, their brother, their hero, and you expect peace to be in the southeastern Nigeria. It's a lie. Okay, next week they will be sit at home, Jerry. This one that we just finished the other day, that was Biafra Heroes Day. That one is our camp and the my. This Monday and Tuesday. Nigeria federal government, they should go and move freely there now. Maybe they go in the east and move now. As long as you throw somebody on the ground, on the floor, you hold him, punching on him, you are holding yourself too. That is the case of Nnamdi Kanu and Nigeria.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yes, to show you that the Fulani agenda, is very deep. As far as Nigeria is concerned. You see the agenda, you see the plan. That if they release Nnamdi Kanu, they will divide Nigeria. They are foreigners. The Fulanis are foreigners. They are foreigners. But they are the one really knows here. Whoever is the citizen of the country does not have to say. They have occupied everywhere. Make sure they intimidate you and occupy your land. And do you shut up? That is the agenda. So that is why they are afraid. That Nigeria should be no releasing Nnamdi Kanu. To tell you that these people, they have deep ambition. Who cares that deep ambition? Mostly the Easterners. Because their plan is to occupy everywhere. Their plan is to stabilize the Easterners, to subdue the Easterners, so that Easterners will not have mouth to talk. Their plan is to, let them kill Nnamdi Kanu. But I believe by His grace. Their evil plan will bounce back to them. Surely bounce back to them. You see their plan? Why are they afraid? That you should not release Nnamdi Kanu. What's the problem? To tell you that they have a hidden agenda. The Fulani have a hidden agenda. That's why they're warning for they're warning federal government or the court not to release Nnamdi Kanu. But when they release Sonny Baho, they don't complain. When they release the Metiala, they don't complain. Why Nnamdi Kanu? To tell you Nigeria does not have any good plan against anything concerning Igbo man. It's happened now. It's happened. It's happened. Nigeria does not have any good agenda to this. No, let him verify. I don't know. They will say no. I don't know how to. They will say my mouth is smelling. That is the reality that we are seeing, that we are witnessing in this country. Yes. Why are they afraid of the one in court? Why are they one in court? For no reason, Nnamdi Kanu. Is there anything wrong there? Is this man done anything wrong? Because Nnamdi Kanu come out and fighting for their own people, for the good of their own people, their own people. To make sure that the people is safe in this country. To make sure that the Eastern land is safe. Now they are against Nnamdi Kanu. What a country. What a country. What one Nigeria? What one Nigeria? Is it one Nigeria?
But they are accusing Nnamdi Kanu of the insecurity in the southeast.
Insecurity? Who is insecurity? The insecurity is them. This insecurity is not come from Eastern. It's not come from East Igbo. The insecurity is from the so-called leaders. The Fulani servants. They are the one causing insecurity in the East. If I thought that is insecurity, they are the one causing it. Who is Ebuka? In the other side, what can they produce mobilize Ebuka? It's one in Nnamdi Kanu mobilize the Eastern Security Network, the ipob. That's when they wake up. I mean, to serve the people, to serve our land against this devilish souls. The wicked country that we are at today. Now they remember to mobilize Ebuka. Ebuka is not Fulani. They say Ebuka is working for Igbos. They are not working for Igbos. Ebuka is Fulani. They are serving Fulani. That's why our governors and the so-called senators. They are serving Fulani. They are the ones. They are the ones mobilizing that are making the insurance. That are making the insecurity of the insurance. They are the ones. They are the ones. They know about it. Go deep. Go down, go deep. Verify. You understand what I'm telling you? You know, to work against the IPOB. Now, again, to work against Nnamdi Kanu. That's them. That is the leaders, the so-called the governors and senators. The Fulanis. To sabotage the IPOB. They are the ones. So when they are talking, let them watch their mouth. We are not sleeping, we are not a kid any longer. We are not a kid. We know what is going on in this country. We are no longer a kid in this country. I'm not a kid. No, you cannot tell me. You cannot tell me that this stone is not a stone, or this paper is not paper. No, I'm above that. So the Fulanis, they have plan. They have hidden agenda. They don't have good agenda against this country. The enemy of this country. That's why they need to not have peace. That's why they don't have peace in this country. No peace. That's why they keep this country like this. As this country is rushing today, it's them, the Fulanis, full of Yorubas. I can't hide it. Because they are the one eating what blood, occupying what blood to everybody. The West and the North. No doubt about it. It's clear. The West and the North, they are the one that occupy what blood to everybody. They are on the top. They are really not 1970, after Nigeria Biafra war. They are the one who occupy the whole power. The whole key source. What is Igbo? Igbo is not among Nigeria. So what are we talking?
Okay.
What are we talking?
Thank you very much.
So let them go. Take how to repair their country. Of course, I believe I'm not in Nigeria because I don't see myself as Nigeria.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much.